incarcerated underground gangster shit. All the Hoovers, the essays, the Bloods and Crips. Straight up and down like the hands on the 12 and the 6. They gon' be tested our words, delivering to the nerves. They got you all to believe it. Yoga, coffee beans, iPhones, and Red Bull wings. Know a bitch from a queen. Fight your Adam and Eve in the system of things. Dog puts on my fan base and let off some steam. I'm a better my circumstance, so follow my lead. Thank you for rocking all our merchandise and buying our team. Don't be the one that we leave, taking one for the team. I'm a dirty disease, so I'm